Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, two Stanford PhD students, Google was originally just a search engine. However, even back then, its creators aimed to do more than just build a product. They wanted to change the way people access information. Unlike other search engines at the time, Google used the PageRank algorithm, which analyzed the importance of web pages based on how many links were pointing to them, delivering more accurate and relevant search results. By 2004, Google had transformed from a simple search engine into a global platform. The company expanded its reach by launching services such as Gmail, Google Maps, and Google Drive. This allowed people not only to find information but also to organize their lives with technological solutions. Google's software products became so embedded in everyday life that people began to associate the Internet itself with Google. Yet, the company has always stuck to the philosophy that the Internet should be accessible to all, without geographical or economic barriers. With the launch of Android, Google opened doors for billions of people worldwide, providing access to smartphones and a vast array of apps built on its operating system. Today, Google is not just a search engine, but a giant in advertising, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and the development of new technologies. The secret to Google's success lies in its creation of an ecosystem that makes users' daily tasks simpler and more accessible.